What's going on, boys and girls? I just got in from work and I bought some pork steaks today when I was at the grocery store. Hey, I did see some buckets of chitlins at the grocery store. $30 for a 10-pound bucket of those red, unclean chitlins. So I've got some in my freezer already. But if you are in the the eastern Alabama area, you might want to go over to the Pick and Save and get you some chitlins. Because I did see about 4 or 5 buckets. They're going to be gone before Christmas because you know how folks like their chitlins around Christmas and New Year's time. So anyway, we're going to do some pork steaks. Very easy recipe. Just kind of follow me along, and it's very simple. There's nothing. It works better on the grill, but we're doing this in the house, and here it is. Alrighty, when I say simple, it's going to be really simple. We got our 2 pork steaks. These are lean pork steaks here. Look at the price of them, guys. I used to buy these same steaks maybe 2 years ago for $2 and something cents for these steaks right here. Now they're pork now. We got 1 onion cut into slices. We got some Tony Chachere seasoning. Now, if you want to use some other types of seasonings, you can use other types of seasonings if you want to, but this is all I need on mine. We've got some coconut oil melting in our stainless steel frying pan. So we're going to season this baby up. Oops, what am I doing? What am I doing? All right, we're going to season them up here. You notice I got the red mat out now. The red is for meats like beef and pork and things like that. Season them up real liberally on both sides, and then we're just going to flip it over and season the other side. Also, go ahead and preset your oven to 400 degrees. All right, we're going to lay our steaks down in here. Just kind of lay them this way here. We'll do both of them. They may be touching a little bit because these are big steaks. And we're going to cook that for about 2.5 minutes on each side. Alrighty, after it's been in there for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we're going to flip it. Just change sides here. Now, at this point, we're going to add our onions to it. You're just going to take these onions, y'all. Now, you can sprinkle them all over it, but you're just going to take these onions and put them up there like this. And then we're going to put this, we're going to let that cook for about another 2 minutes and 30 seconds, 3 minutes or so. And then we're going to pop it in the oven. Now, if you have any leftover onions, just kind of put them along the side here. Because again, this is going to go in the oven for just a few minutes or so until it's done. You really want to cook pork until it's done. You don't want to get no trichinella or nothing like that, you know what I mean? No trichinella, trichinella, trichinella. No trichinella, trichinella in a shoe. We can do it too. Why would you make a song about trichinella? Lord have mercy. All right, we're going to move these over into the oven now, and we're going to cook this for about 15 minutes or so, y'all, until it's thoroughly cooked on the inside. All righty, after about 15 minutes or so, it's all done. I really could have taken them out at about 12 or 10. They're at about, you want them at about 160, 165. These are about at 180. We're going to let these rest for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to have some dinner. All righty, we let that come to a rest. And yes, I am eating it with some ramen noodles. I wanted some noodles tonight. Don't be talking about my plate. But yeah, came out good, y'all. The steaks are always good. They always come out good. You can fix yours with whatever you want to fix yours with. I had a taste for noodles tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, share it, put us on your reminder list so that you know when I'm showing one of these videos, so that you can be notified and all that good stuff. And give me a comment if you liked it. Y'all have a great day. Peace. I'm going to eat my pork steak and my ramen noodles. Peace, y'all.